Hello, myself Sumit Mehra. I am from FE4, roll number 32, branch Computer Engineering. Today, in this video, we are going to verify whether electric field has ability to produce magnetic field or not. For this, we require a 1.5 volt AA battery, an iron nail, a coiled copper wire, and few metal pins. Put the iron nail in the coiled copper wire connected to the battery, and let's see whether the iron nail is able to attract these pins. As we saw that the nail was able to attract these pins, it was because the electric field produced here due to the battery was able to generate a magnetic field in the plane perpendicular to which the current was flowing. Also, we can change the strength of the electromagnet by changing the amount of current that flows through it. Hence, we verified that electric field has the ability to produce magnetic field.